Let's talk Facebook Marketplace find, shall we? Huh. What do y'all think I paid for this? This is a 36 or 38.5 CFM scroll compressor with a dryer. All Quincy, made right here in Alabama, about 45 minutes away from here. If you guys know Quincy, you know they're top of the top, one of the best. I'm not saying they're the best, but they're one of the best. 120-gallon tank. What do you think I paid for it? Pretty much needs an oil change, and right beside where the oil filter goes, it's like a little, it's not a valve. I'm gonna say fitting, that may be. Well, a friend of mine works at Quincy, so I've already got the part coming. Guess how much I paid? Waiting. Put them down below. Oh, here's what I paid for it. Here's the physical screenshot. Tell me I did not get a deal of a lifetime. And just for context, this is not an old unit. See if I can. 2021. 2021. She's a beaut. $300. 120 gallons scroll with a dryer. Let's go.